This Fox Shack mini chest freezer offers a surprisingly roomy 5 cubic feet of storage, making it a strong fit for households that like to stock up on bulk meats, frozen produce, and prepared meals. Its direct cooling system and well-insulated cabinet bring items down to temperature quickly and keep them consistently frozen, which is especially reassuring for long-term food storage. The external thermostat lets you fine-tune the temperature across a deep freeze range, so you can dial it in for everything from ice cream to long-term meat storage. Two coated wire baskets hang at the top, giving you a handy way to organize smaller items while still leaving plenty of open space underneath for larger packages. Noise levels are impressively low for a chest freezer, so it works well in living spaces, basements, or garages without adding an annoying hum. The sturdy, easy-to-lift lid, simple manual defrost, and smooth interior liner make this unit straightforward to maintain and keep clean over years of regular use.